How to get Macy's promo code. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself your Macy's promo code, launch a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Macy's promo code. You will find various of websites dealing with Macy's promo code. Even seasonally, Macy itself will provide you some of the promo code and coupon that you can use. Or you can select on any other preferred website as well. In the designated website, you will find various of promo code and coupon that you can use for yourself. To never miss out from any offer, you can even enter email address and tap on Get Alert. Just click on the preferred promo code or coupon. To get your hands on your Macy's promo code, tap on the Copy button, after which tap on Redeem at Macy's to redeem it instantly. Now firstly, you will have to purchase an item of your Macy's. When checking out, you will see a promo code dialog box where you can apply the promo code, or chances are the promo code is already applied. You will get substantial discount off because of the promo code. So that is how you get yourself your Macy's promo code and as well as how to use it. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.